Okay, so this is what I'll be doing today. I want to fix the gear indicator. So this I'm going to be fixing this right into the engine. So this goes right into the engine while I connect the tip here to the lines over here, okay. And then this one that reads the meter goes right here into my steering wheel, so it can be showing in front of me, just right here from beneath. Okay, so this is what it will look like on the steering wheel. So I'm going to be connecting the cables and then let's see how it goes. So I took this meter from motorbike dashboard so that it will be able to detect the gears that I'm engaging. So should in case I engage any gear, so that's the first gear. Yeah. Okay. So once you push it forward, you disengage the gear. And now because there's no reversing on this signal, I made a LED light over connected to the reversing gear. So if I should put the reversing, you see a caution light here telling me the car will move on reverse. So you see a reverse light at the rear, showing the car will move backward. Okay.